Okay, class, today we're going to work on creating a leadership binder cover by gathering an assignment in Google Classroom. So once you have all logged into my 2019-2020 Google Classroom, you can then go to classwork. And in classwork, you will see an assignment that says leadership binder cover. Click on this assignment, and then you can click on it down here to open it. Now, once you open your leadership binder cover, you'll notice that you have a blank piece of paper. This is called a Google Doc. It's the same thing as if I were to give you just a plain piece of paper. And today, your objective is to create a poster or cover for our leadership binders. So the first thing that I want you to do, and don't do anything yet, obviously we're just watching, is, and I'm going to type in leadership binder. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that doesn't really look all that fancy. So I'm going to hold down one of my fingers and I'm going to scroll to highlight everywhere that it says leadership binder. And then I'm going to go up to font. And in font, I can select any of the fonts that are available and it will change once I click on it. Notice that it's still highlighted and I can change the size of the font as well. Now, I like to have my titles centered in the page, and the way that you do that is you go to your margins. These are how you align in your margins. That means that you can have it left aligned where everything's on the left side. I could do center aligned where it's all centered perfectly in the middle. I could even do right aligned if I wanted it on the right side, but for myself, I want it in the middle. In your Chromebooks, you might not see this. You might see an option that says more, and then it'll have like a little arrow, kind of like that. If you click on that arrow, you'll then see these align options, and I want you to center. Now, I'm going to go to the end of the R in binder where the cursor is. The cursor is the blinking, and I'm going to hit enter. I hit it twice. Now, I'm going to insert a picture. So I'm going to go to insert, image, and I'm going to search from the web. So again, insert, image, search from the web. A little search engine will pop up on the side and it's Google. So what I need to do is enter in what I want an image of. You can choose an image of anything that you like as long as it's appropriate. And it needs to be like a black and white page that you can color after I print it. So a good example is a butterfly color page. Oftentimes, if you add color page at the end of your search, you'll find ones that you can color. Oh, not really. Keep looking for more examples. I'm not really seeing anything that I like. So I think, page. Maybe I spelled it wrong and that's why. Now, I think that I'm going to change my search to black and white and see if that will pop up. Oh, that's better. Now, if you're not finding what you're searching for, you just need to continue to change your words in your search bar. Now, I like this one, so I'm going to double click on it and let it go. Now it's on my cover page. Now, I don't know if I really like that size. Sometimes when you put an image in, it can be really, really big or it can be really, really small. So if you click on the image, you'll get these boxes around it. And you need to use a corner box to resize it. So you put your mouse or your cursor there, your mouse, and you can resize your image to however you'd like, okay? Don't use the side or the top, and I'll show you why. It distorts the image, and so that won't work. Well, I really don't like that, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here. See where my little undo arrow is? I'm going to undo it. I'm going to keep it just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to bring my cursor underneath it and I'm going to hit enter again. And I'm going to type my name. And I'm going to type 3rd grade. And then I'll go ahead and type the year. You will be in this class for 2019 and 2020. Now, I can see what my page looks like. I'm going to make this bigger. I think it would look kind of cool bigger. I'm going to move it up a little bit. And now I don't want it on 2 pages. Oh, that's not going to work. You only want it to be 1 page. So what I'm going to do is go to this space up here and I'm going to hit backspace and then it will move everything up a little bit. And now it's on one page. Perfect. It can only be on one page. So it's going to be a cover. It can only be one page. Now, my assignment is done. One of the ways that you can see how it will look when it's finished is to go to, I think maybe view. No, I think that you can go to pay. It's going to be down here somewhere. But you can kind of look at it from a distance, see if you like it. If you're done with your assignment, then in Google Classroom, you will have a little icon up here, a little button, and it'll say turn in or submit. And that is when you will turn in your assignment to me, and then I'll be able to print it. Okay. Have fun creating your leadership binder cover. And if you need help, watch this video again. Thank you.